An unbelievable verdict of not guilty in the Brent Hankison trial as the Taylor family leaves, walking away with the last ounce of justice that could have been gotten for Breonna Taylor, washed away with 3 not guilty verdicts on the wanton endangerment trial of Brent Hankison. Quite a reaction outside. A number of folks who were here who observed the verdict being read, expressing disbelief as well. And the pain of this family continues as this officer walks away with no charges sticking.
This is our justice system.
Would you like to share any of your thoughts? It's painful to watch them walking away.
Yeah, that's what I was
It's
gonna
just
say.
extremely painful.
The devastation that they have to deal with, the pain that they have to deal with every day that their loved one is gone due to this officer. And he gets to walk away not guilty. Not guilty.
I'm just going to walk away because the pain is just so palpable here that people are having a difficult time even getting a breath. That this one opportunity for Breonna Taylor to receive some sort of justice is gone with the dismissal of these charges with a not guilty verdict. I did not go live in the courtroom because there was one pool camera with the rest of the streamers, rest of the streams going to anyone who wanted them. I did not go live in the courtroom, but I have a tremendous amount of compassion for the family that has gone through this, and the family that was wantonly endangered who lived in the apartment next door. I thought that the prosecution did a very, very good job of outlining all the things that were done wrong, and especially all of the things that were not in protocol. That's what they kept saying, that this was not protocol, this was not protocol, this was not protocol, and it seemed like it was I feel almost as I did the day that the Attorney General announced these wanton endangerment charges as the only charges that were held up against the officers who conducted the no-knock warrant at Breonna Taylor's apartment. It's just almost speechlessness. It's just almost speechlessness. I'm walking down to the square for a moment because it seems like the logical place to go. Although there is no memorial here, there still are the flags for which many are grateful. A few flags flying around the square that say Bree Way. didn't say her name, and even though they kept saying this trial was not about her, of course it was about her. Everything was about her. The family would never have been endangered who lived next door if it weren't for the no-knock warrant raid on this woman's apartment. Just watching her mother and her sister and her family members and the pain that they went through, sitting through this court case, reliving each and every step of what happened to their child, their sister, their mother, their daughter, their niece. Just watching that was just so extraordinarily difficult, and I'm so sorry for them, and sorry for everyone who was affected and victimized in that situation. And this was the center of all the activity for a full year, with a lot of things that happened after. It's bare. It's empty and it's bare. And all the wounds definitely are open again. When you think about the activity that took place in this small block, this little tiny city park, you think about everything that took place here, all that everyone went through here, and to learn that no one has been held accountable for this completely unnecessary death. There's just something so extraordinarily wrong about everything that happened in this case. And as you listened to the testimony, if you didn't listen to the testimony, go back to the Law and Crime Network and listen to it, because as you listen to the testimony, you hear every single thing that went wrong. No preparation, no instructions, not a legal warrant, just every single thing about this case. And no one has been held accountable, and it's heartbreaking. It gets to your gut that no one will ever be held responsible for the death of this woman. Summer was so upset she couldn't even talk when she left. So were the other people who were in the courtroom every day. Cheyenne and Dee were in the courtroom every day. Andrea, Frank Nitti, a couple of other people came in today for the verdict. I don't know. I just wonder. I wonder where everybody is right now. I just wonder where everybody is, whether they're at work, whether they're at home, whether they're driving, whether they're walking. Everybody who was here, just, I wonder where everybody is. I think about the group of people that spent so much time here and dedicated so much of their lives to this protest after her death. It just seems such a shame that this square is empty.